Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. It's almost Black Friday, which means I'm gearing up for my biggest sale of the year, but that's not what I'm talking about today. Instead, I want to share with you a whole host of my layered paper craft designs for free. Earlier this year, I started selling my SVGs on designbundles.net, which is a fantastic website full of thousands and thousands of designs for Cricut and cutting machine crafters. Design Bundles have a free section where they choose some designs from their website to be available to download for free. I am incredibly honoured that several of my designs have been chosen for this section. All of the designs that you can see on the screen now are all free downloads. But hurry, they may not remain free forever. To download them, visit craftwithsarah.com/dbfree. This will take you to a page on my website where I've put all the links to my free designs on Design Bundles in one place to make it really easy for you to find them. As well as all those designs, there are an extra 20 designs available for free in a Paper Crafters bundle, again made possible thanks to the incredible team at Design Bundles. The 20 designs from that bundle are shown on screen now. They are available to download from now until the 23rd of December. Visit craftwithsarah.com/db to get them. If you love Design Bundles as much as I do, you'll be thrilled about their ultimate $1 deal, which starts tomorrow for Black Friday weekend. This is my first time participating in the event, and I'm so excited. The event starts at 9 a.m. UK time on Friday the 25th of November and runs until 6 a.m. UK time on Wednesday the 30th of November. During this time, hundreds, if not thousands, of designs from a wide range of designers, including me, will be available for just $1 each. That's an incredible saving on the usual prices and a great chance for you to stock up on SVG cut files, sublimation designs, fonts, and more for the year ahead. There's a slight catch though. Only 500 copies of each design are available at that special $1 price. So you need to get in there quick to snag the ones you really want. The designs I'm offering as part of the ultimate $1 event are on the screen now. The first one is this gorgeous cardinal bird, just in time for Christmas. Following on from that theme is this larger than matte robin papercraft wreath. I've put together 4 of my most popular Halloween designs into one mini bundle, which will be for sale at just $1. I've also added in 4 of my most popular Easter designs. You can get started nice and early with these SVG files. This collection of cut and tuck cards is my next offering for the ultimate $1 sale. The final dollar deal from me is the set of 8 Papercraft Arabesque Christmas tree ornaments. I'm not sure exactly when my designs will be added, but it will be sometime this weekend. Visit craftwithsarah.com/$deal to visit the event on Design Bundles. Remember, it doesn't start until 9 a.m. UK time on Friday, 25th of November, but click the link now and bookmark the page to make sure you don't miss out. I'll be posting my favourite deals from the event from all different designers in my Facebook group. If you're not already a member, I've added the link in the description of this video. I said a lot of links in this video, so let's recap on them all before I say goodbye. Visit craftwithsarah.com/dbfree to find my layered SVGs that are currently free to download on Design Bundles. Craftwithsarah.com/db is where you can get the free Papercraft bundle containing 20 extra designs, and this one is only available until the 23rd of December. Finally, check out craftwithsarah.com/$deal to be first in line for the ultimate $1 event, which starts tomorrow. I'm really excited for this event to see how many crafty bargains I can pick up, as I've still got a lot of Christmas gifts to make, and I'm running out of ideas a little bit. I'll be back tomorrow with information about my very own Black Friday sale here at Craft with Sarah. But for now, thank you for watching. Bye!